Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on Edit Contact, which is right here, and pick this camera icon, which is right in the middle almost. So as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Tap on OK. And as you can see, from this step we can change the position of the photo. We can also zoom it in or out, and we can change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will actually see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it like you want to. You can also rotate it. It's up to you, and tap on Save Copy if you are ready. As you can see in this small circle, the photo has been applied, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. It's so important because without it, the contact will not be saved. And as you can see, we've got the photo applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.